Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off autoplay on YouTube app. This annoying video after video playing. I'm gonna show you how you can actually turn this off. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner at your profile picture. Then when you're at your profile, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the upper right. Now, if you slowly scroll down, you will see that there is an option that is called autoplay. If you click this one, you essentially can click this on and off, and simply will make it easier for you, your phone and your tablet to have this function on or off based on your personal preference. But this is how easy it is. For the desktop version, you need to go on the actual playing menu. You have to play a video, and under the sections where you see the usual captions and the quality, you will have the autoplay on and off. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.